Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make drop down menus in Wix.com or how to add an menu in Wix.com. It's a easy process and let's get started. First of all, you have to sign in Wix.com as I have already signed in and this is my dashboard. It's a very simple process and you can edit on mobile as well as in laptop or in PC. So let's get started. First of all, just press on edit site. Sometimes it takes a lot of time. So this I have already opened in a new window, as you can see. By pressing on edit site, this window or page will pop up. So then just simply just press on about us, and there are a lot of like homes, events info, etc. So if you want to add, just press on add page, and there are multiples like contacts, events, monthly giving, gallery. So it's upon you whatever you have to edit or choose. So I have already added, so just let me show you. I will go back. Once adding a page, just click on edit menu. So I have already added these three: about us, home, events. So if you want to drag it down, just simply press and drag it down. So as you can see over here also, first it was about us, but when I drag down, now it's first is home. So just same process. If you want to drag up, just press on event. Oh, wait a minute. Just press on event and drag it. Why it's not working? Yeah, like this. So as you can see, it works both ways. So if you want to, you can do one other thing is just press on it like this, hold it, and just move a little bit like that. So this is the way to drag down menus in Wix.com. It's a very easy process.